This is a nice, simple to use humidifier. It's got this clean, elegant Scandinavian design with a wood effect base and a semi-transparent cover which lights up. So to operate, first remove the cover and then also remove the cap. And you need to fill it with cold water below the maximum capacity here. And then you can put the cover back on. You can see on the cover this is where you can put essential oils as well if you want to add an essential oil. Just drop them into this little reservoir here and then replace the cover. And now we can plug it in. Okay, so first connect the power cable to the base. Yeah, and then plug it into a power source. Okay, and now we can switch it on. So the front, it's got two buttons, quite discrete buttons. This one on the right, it turns on the mist. So you can see the mist start to come out the top. And the button on the left controls the light, so if you press it once, the light will come on. And it will cycle through all the different colours. I think there are 7 colours. And if you just want to keep it on one colour, press the button again and it will just stay on whichever colour it's on. And then if you press it again, you can change to a different colour, or you can change the brightness. So it's just a dim light there. Now it's a bright light. Okay, and to turn it off, hold down the light button and the light will go off. And if you want to turn off the mist, just press the mist button once. And there we go.